string names is equals to input dot next line. Don't forget, anytime you are getting strings, that is name, anything that has to do with close quotes, that's double quotes, you are getting string, any alphanumeric characters, you use input dot next int. Then I want to welcome the user. I say system dot out dot print f. Na next class I will explain all the format, though we've done it before, but then I'll explain it so that we can all understand. Welcome %s, because that is getting string to my simple calculator. Is that taken? Then comma names, right? Then let them enter get the two numbers to add. I'll say system dot out dot print. Okay, so out dot print enter first number, then that will be int num1 is equals to input. This time around we are getting input from the user, input dot next integer, because the first one was next line, so we are getting string. The second one is integer because we are getting integer from the user, right? Then I'll repeat this guy and say input enter second number, right? Then that will be int num2 is equals to input dot next int again. Then I will do int total is equals to num1 plus num2, right? And I will say system dot out dot print f. Then I will do num1 or number one. Okay, let me do %d plus %d is equals to %d. So the first %d is num1, second %d is num2, and third one is total, right? So I can do answer of, right? Oh, the program is still loading, therefore I'll have to copy all of this guy out. Still having a loading object here. That will not make sense, so let me replace it with this one so that I can run the program. Now if there's any error, right, the program will give us error here, but if there's no error, it will run and show us the answer. So I'm running it right now. So welcome to my simple calculator, right? Scanner input equals to new scanner string name. So there is a mistake here. I say string names is equals to input dot next line. So the computer will be expecting me to supply something here, but I didn't tell my user to supply their name. So what do I do? So I can do clear, and I can come here and say, let me copy this guy, get username, and say enter your name, enter your prompt. Is very, very important in program. Let your user know what they should do at every stage, okay? At every stage. So I'll rerun it now. Okay, say enter your name now. So my name is Ademola Adegoke, right? Then I'll do enter. Then say welcome Ademola Adegoke to my simple calculator. Now look at this guy. Enter first number is in line with welcome Ademola. So they should not be together. So what we have to do is where we have string format, at the end of it, I will say backslash n. So that will give me, it will move this guy to the next line. So that's what I just did. I will run the program now. So enter your name, Ademola Adegoke, right? Adegoke, I click enter, then e say welcome Ademola Adegoke to my simple calculator, and then move the entire first number to the next line. So that's fine. Enter first number 45, enter second number 78, and then we should have answer of 45 plus 78 is equals to 123. I think that is fair, right? So we have written a simple calculator now that added two numbers together. Don't worry, we are going to write a robust calculator before the end of this program. Okay, so currently we have written a program that added two numbers up. So your assignment, I repeat, your assignment is that you write a program that will add five numbers. You have added two numbers, right? So think about it. How do you write a program that add five numbers? Do that, and this is just plus. In our next program, we move advanced so that we can do the one that do plus, minus, division, and multiplication. So because there are many other things to learn to cover before we can write such a program, right? So thank you for viewing. At the end of this, I would edit the program and I will, post it for view later. So good day to you all. Yeah, end stream.